Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to do bubble sort. So what is bubble sort? It is a sorting algorithm in which we can compare two adjacent elements and we will swap them until they are in correct order. Example, if list contains 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, we will sort them in ascending order. So here is a program. L is equal to, we have taken some sample data 15, 44, 33, 22, 101, 7. So all these elements are not in descending order. First, we will write our loop for I in range, 0, length of L. So what is the length of L here? How many elements are there? 6 elements. Then for the next loop, 0, length of L minus I minus 1. Starting I value is 0 only. So length of L will be 6 minus 0. And that means J loop will execute for value 0, length of L minus I minus 1. And then we will use if loop. If loop for comparing the adjacent element. If L0 is greater than L1, that means it will not shift the position. Otherwise, if L0 is greater than L1, then the swapping will be there. So here in our case L0 is 15. 15 greater than 44, false. So it will not do anything. Then we will compare the next element, 44 greater than 33, true, it will swap the position. Next time 33 greater than 22, again it will swap the position. So like this way our first pass will happen. So if L0 is greater than L1, let us see once again, 15 greater than 44, it will not do anything. And you know that if two for loops are there, inner loop will completely execute, then the outer loop should execute. So L1 greater than L2, 44 greater than 33, true. That means L2 value will be initialized to L1 and L1 value will be initialized to L2. Swapping will happen. The values are exchanged. Next, we will compare L2 greater than L3. Now in L2, 44 will be there. So 44 we will compare with 22. 44 is greater than 22, true. Again swapping will happen. So instead of 22, 44 will be there. Then we will compare L3 greater than L4. In L3 44 is there and in L4 101 is there. So L3 44 greater than 101, not there. That is false. So loop will not execute. Condition swapping will not happen. So what we will do, then we will compare L4 greater than L5. 101 greater than 7. 101 greater than 7, true. That means 7 and 101 will change their position. Swapping will happen. So next pass, L4 greater than L5, in that swapping will be there. So 7 will be on the 4th index and 5th index will be your 101. So in first pass, largest element is put at the end. That means largest element has fixed its position. So that's why we are using L, length of L minus I minus 1, because in each pass one element is fixed at the end. So one loop, one I value we will take as less. One J value will be one less than that condition. So in the first pass your answer is 15, 33, 22, 44, 7. So once again I will show you this example through proper tracing or how the condition is checked. So first pass result I think everyone understood. Then let us see the different passes result. After first pass what will be the output, after second pass what will be the output, that we will check. So I denotes here number of passes, J loop for comparing. So again take the same example, we will see the different passes we will see the different passes. So this is our example of first pass: 15, 33, 22, 44, 7. Our result also same. So here once again you show the different passes, what will be the output of the different passes. First 15 will be compared with 44, then 44 will be compared with 33. Each adjacent elements are going to compare. So first pass, 101 is fixed at the end because it is the largest element. The output will be how comparison is going to happen. Let us see. 15, 44, 33, 22, 101, 7. Write the number as it is. Then compare. 15 greater than 44, not there. Then compare next element. 44 greater than 33, true. So 15, 33, 44, 22, 101, 7. Next compare 44 greater than 22, true. It will swap the position. 22, 44, 101, 7. Again check. Again compare 44 with 101. It will be remain as it is. Next compare 101 and 7. So it will swap the position. 15, 33, 22, 44, 7, 101. So at the end of the first pass, 101 largest element is fixed at the end. Now let us see the second pass result. Whatever the input of the first pass is the output of the first pass will be the input of the second pass. So 15, 33, 22, 44, 7, 101. Then these elements will be compared. These elements will be compared. Here 33 is greater than 22, so it's change its position. Then 33 greater than 44, as it is, it will remain as it is. But in the next 44 will be compared with 7, so it will swap the position. So after the second pass, second largest element will fixed at the end. That means 44. 44 is fixed at the second last index. Now let us see the third pass. In third pass, third largest element is 33. It will fix its position. So 15 is compared with 22, 22 is compared with 33, then 33 is compared with 7. So that means 7 and 33 will swap their position. In the next pass, so this is the resultant of the third pass, and output of the third pass will be the input of the fourth pass. So in fourth pass, fourth largest element, that is 22, will fix its position. 22 will fix its position. That means 15, 7, 22, 33, 44, 101. Now in the fifth pass, 15 and 7 will interchange its position. 15 and 7 will interchange its position. So like this way, we can trace the number of passes also, how the elements are swapping their position. I hope you understand the concept of the bubble sort. If the question is asked in your exam, then you can draw the different passes and write the output of the all passes. If you are not able to remember the logic, at least you should remember how the swapping is going to take place. Take some random numbers and draw these different passes: first pass, second pass, third pass, fourth pass, fifth pass. So now let us execute the same program through the IDLE also. In IDLE also, if we will going to execute this program, you will get the same resultant. So let us see. Let us see in the IDLE. Execute the same program. So you will get the same output while tracing which you have got. I hope you have understood the program. If you want more such programs videos, keep share, subscribe and like the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.